Welcome to the Unique Show. Here we talk about the most unique people, places, and situations on the planet. The topic of today's show is the Great Barrier Reef. To tell us more about this unique ecosystem, we invited Dr. Patrick Jameson, who is a professor of the University of Australia and Oceania. Dr. Jameson, please tell us more about the Great Barrier Reef.
Well, as you know, the Great Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, consisting of individual reefs. The reef is located in the Coral Sea near Australia. Nowadays, despite the creation of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, which aim was to limit the impact of tourists on the environment, the Great Barrier Reef is in danger.
Many people enjoy diving there. Many tourists visit it every year looking for peace, amazing view, and some unique ecosystems. The Great Barrier Reef is a miracle created by nature and destructed by people. Authorities. Власти. Bleach. Отбеливатель. Conserve. Сохранять. Contain. Содержать. Coral Reef. Коралловый риф. Crystal Clear. Кристально чистый. Extinct. Вымерший. Fatal. Губительный, смертельный. Float. Плавать, держаться на поверхности. Form. Формировать. Harm. Причинять вред. Humpback whale. Горбатый кит. Organism. Организм. Reverse. Изменить ситуацию. Shellfish. Моллюск. Surface. Поверхность. Unique. Уникальный. Drastically. Кардинально. Unique ecosystem. Уникальная экосистема. Immediately. Немедленно. Breeding ground. Кормовая база. Survival. Выживание. Generation. Поколение.